Let's talk about destructuring function arguments. If we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 arguments, the main problem is that we cannot change the order of the arguments. So what I'm going to do, I would like to convert them inside the object. So if we have get persons method, we have applied some kind of the pagination logic. It is going to return the persons, total, and page number. You can also do in this way. Both key and value are same, so you can use page here. The same concept applied here. I don't need to use per page. This is a short syntax in ES6, so I'm going to use this one. And what I want to do, I would like to convert into the object. Cool. Now I want to pass and properties options object page. Now I can use the order. Now I can reorder them. I can change the order. Let's say I would like to change the order of page here. Cool. So now I can change the order. So here I also need to destructure them. Which one is total? Cool. Now you have destructured all the properties or attributes. Otherwise, what you need to do on side, you can say that there is an options, or you can also do here there's an object is equals to options. There are many ways to do this one, but I like this one. Whole. Let me try to log that. I'm gonna access that. Let me refresh that. So I would like to access the persons. Cool. There is a persons array. Boom. And here we have page, per page, and total.